Good day, investors. Welcome to First Bars Academy. So, today I'm going to be sharing my TradingView setup because I've received a whole lot of requests from you guys asking me how I set my TradingView up. So, on this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how I set my TradingView up to look this way. So, make sure you have your laptop ready to copy these setups. So first of all, if you want your chart to look this way, I'm going to be showing you how to set everything up right away. So we'll be going over two settings. So the first thing that we'll be going over is how to set your chart interface to look this way. And the second thing we're going to be going over is how to set your toolbox to look just like mine. So first of all, we're going to get started by clicking on this settings button right here. So this button that says chart properties. So we have to click on it and then we have this first page. So on the first page, you have to click on symbol. So under symbol, we are only going to click these four headings, right? So the first heading we're going to click is body. So under body, the body of your candles have to be green, right? So the bull candle has to be green. So you go ahead and click on this green button right here. So my green is the fourth color to the from your left, right? From your left, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's green. So the next color you want to click on is this color right here. So you have to change it to red. So the red I use is this red from the bottom. So the second red from the bottom, that's the color that I use for my bear candles. So now we've set up our bull and bear candles. The next thing that I want to set up is our borders. So your borders has to be black. So you go ahead and you click on black. And my black is the black on the right hand side. Then the second box has to be black as well. Then the next thing you want to click on is the wick, right? And click on wick, then make sure it's black as well. So I use the same black to the right. And then click on the second box, make sure it's black as well. So the last thing that I click on this page is the last price line. So you have to make sure that it is blue. So I use blue for this particular one. So once you click on blue, your last price line is going to become blue. Then you click outside, then you're done with this particular one. Then the next thing that you want to click on is the status line. So under the status line, you make sure you click on the symbol, then your show open market status, your open high, low and close values, your bar change values, your show buy and sell buttons, then your indicator titles, then indicator values and background. So basically all these boxes here, you have to tick them except this box here. Then the next section that we have to click on is the scales section. So under the scales section, we have all these titles here. So the first one that we're going to click on is the symbol last price label. So you click on it, then the next one is the pre-post market price label. So you click on it, and the next one is the no overlapping labels. So you click on it, then you have the countdown to bar close. You click on it, then you have the currency section, then you click on it. So these are the 5 headings that I click on when it comes to scales. So once you've clicked on these 5 headings, then the next one that we're going to click on, the next section is appearance. So you click on appearance section. So this is the most important section right here. So the first part has to be solid. So you have to make sure that it's not under gradient, that it's solid. Then under solid, the box to the right has to be gray. So I choose the gray color from the left hand side. So after the left hand side, the first box, the second box, the third box, that's the color that I use. And once you click on it, then you click outside the box to close it. Then you go ahead and you click on vertical grid lines. So you click on it and you make it black. So the black is the color to the right hand side. Then horizontal grid lines has to be black as well. So you click on it, then your session breaks has to be off, right? So if you want session breaks, it means that it divides the charts according to every single day. So every 24 hours will be divided on the chart. So I choose not to use that one. And the next section is the scales text. So this is the text, the color of the text on your screen. So it has to be black. And the size, the font size has to be 12. Then the next section is the scales lines. So it has to be black as well. So once you click on that, then you go over to the crosshair. So under the crosshair section, it has to be the same color as the background. So the same color we chose here, which is gray, you have to choose the same gray color, which is the third color from the left hand side. All right, so the next thing that you want to click on is, I think that's all. So make sure that your watermark is off. So if you click on watermark, then it's basically going to paste the name of the pair on your background. But then I don't want the name to be on the background because I want my background to be very clear. So I'll click here and make sure that it is off. So my watermark is off. So once you do this, then you make sure that your top margin is 10%, your bottom margin is 8%, then your right margin is 10 bars. Then once you're done with these settings, then you go ahead and click OK. So once you click on OK, everything should look pretty much like my own. Then the next thing that you want to click on is you want to click on this star button. So this is your favorite tools. So this section is a list of tools that I use most of the time. So one of them is the horizontal ray, the second one is the brush, the third one is the pathway, the fourth one is this plus sign that you can see on the screen, the fifth one is your rectangle, the sixth one is the Fibonacci tool, the seventh one is this line, the eighth one is the call out box, then the ninth one is your text box, and the tenth one is your buy order button. So this will help you calculate your buy setups to know where your stop loss is and your take profit. Then your sell order button. So this will show you where your stop loss is, the number of percentage and the pips of the stop loss. Then it also shows the profit target as well. Shows you how many pips in profit that you're targeting here. Then it also shows you your pips and stop loss here as well. So this is what you have to be looking at if you're looking for the pip count. So now that you've seen this button, so if you want to set these buttons to be on your toolbar, then here's how to do it. So let's clear everything and let's go over to this section on your left. So you have to click on this section on the upper left hand side. So once you click on this section here, you go ahead and you click on cross. So cross is the first thing that you have to click on. Then that's all for the first section. Then on the second section, then you click on it. Then you click on the trend line and horizontal ray. So these are the two tools that you need from this particular section. Then you close it and you click on the third section. On the third section, you simply click on the Fibonacci retracement tool. So usually it's somewhere inside here. So you just find the Fib retracement tool and click on it. Then the next section is the section below it. So under this section, you click on your brush, your rectangle, and your path. And once you're done, then you close this section, then you click on the next section. And under this section, you click on the text and the callout. And once you're done, you close this section. Then the next section, you have a whole lot of patterns here. So I'm not using any of these patterns. So you simply close this section. You open this section here, which is the last section, and you click on long position and short position. So once you click on these two, then your toolbox should be complete. So anytime you want to pull your toolbox up, you simply click on this star button on the bottom left hand side of your screen. So once you click on it, then it comes up. Once you click on it, it goes out. So this is my TradingView setup, and I believe that this setup will help your charting and your analyzing process to be very, very easy and simple. However, I believe trading is a game of pattern identification. So if you want to identify patterns, you have to make sure that your chart is crystal clear. So that's why I love my chart to be very, very clear, and I want everything to be unique and to stand out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I believe you found this helpful. So if you would like me to make any more tutorial videos covering anything at all, simply drop what you want me to talk about on the next tutorial video in the comments section below. So thank you so much, stay blessed, and see you on the next tutorial video.